Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Genesis and today I want to clean and decorate for fall in a minimal way. So I like to clean before I decorate, so I'll start with my living room. We were here last night watching TV, so I'm just putting away some of the blankets that we use. And also I changed my pillowcases, and I'll be putting like a little tutorial right here in a little bit just so you can see how I did that. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up here and making sure everything is nice and tidy. I also start cleaning all my surfaces. I like to clean from the top to the bottom. That way whenever it's time to sweep, everything's gonna be in the floor ready to just be picked up. Right here I'm just cleaning my kitchen, putting away all the dishes, and also making some solution of thieves to clean all my surfaces. I'll be leaving my Instagram right here so you can go ahead and follow me over there. I do like to talk a lot about lifestyle things. I'm a first time mom, so I do have a couple of tips here and there. And I like to talk about also food. I make some recipes that you might like. So yeah, anyway, so let's continue here. I'm cleaning my little nook. This is a butcher block that we built a few months ago, and we have dinner and breakfast all the time here. And also this is my dining table, and I like to just use that same solution from Thieves and just clean up everything, make sure there's no residue or anything like that from foods. This is my little coffee table, and we also use it a lot, so I'm just cleaning that up. And my entertainment center. This is our little bench that we don't really use, but I still have just for whenever people come over, then just a place to sit. That's where they'll sit. And this is our little entry table. And now I'm sweeping away, making sure there's no dog hairs. We own 2 Boston Terriers and they do shed a lot, so we try to clean up our floor once in a while, at least once a day, just to make sure we don't have any leftover hairs. And also I'm mopping away. I like my house to be smelling fresh, and there's no better way to do it but to mop your floors. For mopping, I'm using just Fabuloso and some water. Okay, so this is where I show you how to make those little pillowcases that I use on my big couch. So I'm just using some muslin that I bought at Walmart. You can use any leftover fabric that you might have at home, and I use some of the pillowcases that I own, and I just follow the pattern. I don't have a sewing machine, so I use the tape that glues the fabric together. But first I'm making sure that it's not as wrinkly, that way they look more presentable. So this is the tape that I was telling you about. It's a ultra hold tape, so I just measured to make sure it's gonna close the whole pillowcase, and I'll put it there and I'll start ironing that together. I did end up putting some buttons in the back of the envelope pillow. This is my baby right there in the background. Yeah, I started putting buttons just because I knew that people were gonna sit down and maybe mess them up or something, and they were gonna come out. So I just put some buttons to make sure they stayed in place, and you'll see the end result now. So this is it. It's just an envelope little pillowcase. Right here I'm getting all my decorations from last year. I did not buy anything for this year just because I'm not going out of my house that much. But yeah, so I'm just using the things that I have. And right here I'm changing my centerpiece on my table. And my lavender in my empty table. I was debating which one looked better, but at the end of the day I used the green eucalyptus. Those are nice too, but they weren't high enough, so it just looked weird. And I used them over here. All these florals I got from Michaels last year. And this little pumpkin I got from the dollar store last year as well. And this is the back door, and I'm adding a little wreath that I made a few years ago. And I just put it a little crooked, so I had to reinstall that. So here you go. This is a little wreath in the back door, and this is the little scent that I used. It's a coffee swirl cake or cake swirl. And I just put a little pumpkin in the guest bathroom. And that's it. That's all I used for this year's fall decoration. Not that many things, but it still looks and feels kind of cozy at home. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe so you can go ahead and watch more of these in the future. But yeah, have a blessed day and see you soon. Bye bye.